Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal. Guys, if you have Ricoh printer 3-in-1 and the model number is SP100SU and printer is showing error E4, okay, or E7. E4 error because this is closed, okay, and the front door is closed. E7 errors, what does it mean? And this error light is also blinking over here. How to diagnose it? This printer's problem, which part need to be replaced, or what is the error? Is paper jam or is tuner? You have to simply, guys, come to your laptop screen. Right after driver installation, okay, you will find one utility over here. This is the official website of Ricoh, okay, support.ricoh.com, you can see, and this is the model number I mentioned above, and you can see the utility over here. Just click on utility and install this smart organizing monitor. Okay, you have to install it, and then I already installed it. I will run this utility, and you can see right after run the utility, the message in the screen is showing that printer is out of tuner is empty, please open indicated cover and replace the print cartridge. So actually the E7 error is mentioning that right now we have to replace our tuner. So if you are confused about the error and you don't know how to diagnose it, just install this utility and you can find the error. If you have any other question regarding Ricoh printers, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching. All the best.